Welcome back to the vlog. We're here and we start at 9 a.m. and that's 6 a.m. for Derek and I. You'll never guess. We're bowling on the same pair.
On the same pair.
What are the chances? There's 5 a pair, 50 lane center. It's a 1 in 25 chance, I think.
Another prayer answered.
Something like that. Yeah, prayer for you.
For me.
But anyways, we're bowling an 8-game qualifying block today. I think Mr. Kyle Barr is getting back on the camera for us. We finished second in the team event last night, which was pretty sweet, but we didn't get out of here till almost 1 a.m. It took a little while to pad all the teams with all the side action. We were in for 600 and change, and we got back, what did we get back? 1,800, I think. So we made 12, 1,300. I don't know the exact numbers, but it was a pretty good day. So now Mikey and I are about 1,000 in the green. Hopefully today we can bowl pretty good. I got into a little bit of side action, not a lot. Got in for like 260 bucks, not a whole lot, but we're in there. And hopefully Derek bowls good today. He's betting against Mikey, getting 30 pins a game. I think I might be able to help him win. Well, how are you doing after 3?
109 over.
Oh, I'm out in the same boat. I got 116. Yep, I got caught in the urethane transition, tried to throw it for too long. I mean, I stoned an 8 on a 4-bagger, so I was like, all right, we'll keep throwing it. Didn't double again. Last game, I threw 2 bad shots for 230. Definitely could have 250 plus 1. It's still early, and I can't imagine our scores are great, but they're probably okay.
I mean, we're probably like around like 25th.
I think it's a little higher than that, but yeah, that is what it is.
Out of game 1, so
yeah, I can't imagine the pace is still. But I'm not gonna think about scores too much. We're just gonna keep bowling.
I came here to meet because you're in.
Oh, okay, bye. That's nice. I did the UFO alert, and I literally threw it in practice 3 times yesterday, struck all 3 times, didn't throw it after that, pulled it out of the bag, threw an 8-bagger, so 11 strikes out of the box with the alert. I think it's gonna be pretty good. I'm 200-ish over. I'm gonna hand the camera off to Bassy. What's up? And we got 3 more games. I feel like I'm grinding. I'm 200 over after 5, and I feel like I'm grinding. All right, we're 6 games in, 2 to go. 240 over. Still don't know what the scores are looking like, so I don't know if that's good or not. I can't imagine that's bad though. Still throwing the UFO alert, brand new. We shot 230 with a missed 10 pin. First missed single pin in about a month. I honestly couldn't tell you when the last time I missed a sparrow was, or a single pin. But not happy about it. Hopefully we don't miss any more for another couple months. Alrighty, final score 304 over. Alright, I'm being summoned. I don't know for what. I almost forgot my bowling ball though. I went to the bathroom, all that stuff. I guess I gotta sign a bowling pin. Okay, cool.
Yo, oh, no, turn around. Oh, this way. Celebrity status right here.
You gotta talk to the camera.
Celebrity status right here. I don't ever talk on the camera. We got Tang right here. Signing the bowling pin.
Who else is on here? Oh my god, these some big names.
You got some big names right
I've
there.
never made a US Open show.
This is what happens when you win the $10,000 last year. They want you to do it again every year.
I hope. That'd be nice.
Shout out to Tang. EJ Tack is next.
Shout out to EJ.
I asked her if she wanted my signature. She said no.
Well, I don't know why she didn't want it.
You spelled it wrong.
Right.
There you go.
Just EJT. Oh, he's got 36 balls.
320 over. Nice. He beat me. I had 304.
My UFO struck ball.
Yeah, my last pair hooked about 10 more than the pair before. So,
Yeah, my last pair hooked about 10 less than the one before.
I brought all of my bowling balls into the paddock thinking that I could get away with just one ball for the last game. And lo and behold, of course, I need a different ball. And I didn't change balls, I shot 210. So it's my fault.
I got lucky, I just finished it.
But you didn't have to change balls.
You can blast from the same one last 6.
Solid day. We're gonna get some food. We just had a team Twitch lunch at Cafe
Super.
Yeah, first time. Wasn't bad. Portion's kind of small, but not bad. What did you guys think?
It's good.
Good? You liked it?
Good food.
Yeah? Healthy enough for you, Kyle?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hanzo?
It's pretty good.
Yeah? Bassy likes food. We don't need to ask him.
No
Will you eat this in one bite though?
No clue what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but I'll try my best to document it. Well, we did absolutely nothing for the rest of the day. We're closing out the vlog. We're closing out the vlog. We got some burgers. We'll be bowling the finals tomorrow. We don't know if Chris is gonna make it or not, but they're almost done. But it's gonna be really close. It seems like he's going to, so hopefully that's the case, and we'll see you tomorrow for more bowling. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next vlog.